Check out the Hobbit Caves, bud. Look how little they are. You can go in them. Come check them out. Look down in there and see how little it is. Oh, that's cool. It's a Hobbit Cave here in Logan Canyon.
Yes!
Yes, it's really cool, huh? Come in the other one. Come over to the bigger one. Yeah, these are cool caves. They're called Hobbit Caves. You can go in there. Go ahead.
I'm scary.
It's okay. It's not scary. Go ahead. I'm right behind you guys. Are you scared? It's okay. Daddy's right by you. Yeah, that's cool, bud. Those are cool caves. I think there's some more. Come on, let's look for some more caves. It's really beautiful around here. Yeah, somebody had a campfire. Let's go check out the waterfall, guys. Yeah. Yeah. Slow down. Beautiful.
I believe somebody graffitied in there. It makes me so mad.
Did they?
Mommy wants to
It's really gorgeous around here.